Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can set emoji on contact image on iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also be sure to put likes after watching and write your comments. So, dear friends, let's get started. Now I will show you everything step by step. First, you'll need to open the phone app on your iPhone, and then at the bottom, in the middle, select the Contacts option. Next, friends, in order to set a contact image, select the contact you want, and then at the top right, click Edit. And now click Edit again underneath the poster. Then at the bottom select the word Customize and now select the contact photo. Next, you'll need to select Remove and set a new photo at the bottom. And here you have a couple of options. The first one is you can choose, for example, the emoji that you have on your iPhone keyboard. You can set absolutely any emoji that you have. As you can see, absolutely any one you can install. Also, friends, you can choose the style, that is, the background, how it will look on the emoji. And in order to save such changes, you'll just have to click Next on the top right. But there is a second option. You can choose Memoji. These are the kind of emoji that are created specifically by the iPhone. Look, there are a lot of options here. You can scroll through them at the bottom to see, for example, exactly which animal you like best. There's a lot of options here, totally different ones. So when you've chosen the animal that you like, let's say, look, I'm talking now and this emoji is talking. I'm moving my head and it's talking too. So you can do absolutely any pose and make any facial expression and take a photo. So let's say now I'm going to stop in a certain position and take a photo. This is how you can see that a live photo is taken. But you can choose already from the below given some options that you like more. And when you have already decided on the option, just click Next. Then you can zoom in or zoom out the image. Flick to wherever you like. And at the bottom click to save such changes. Then you can also choose the background that you prefer. And then friends, also at the top click Continue. And click Skip. So friends, as you can see, the photo or the image of the contact specific on iPhone has been changed. Friends, I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you. You have seen how you can easily set emoji on the image of a contact on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes, also write your comments and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.